Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out of Tihar jail very, very shortly. This is after 4 months inside India's largest prison. This is in the Liquor Gate controversy and probe. Kejriwal will be heading directly to the Chief Minister's residence. Mrs. Kejriwal and senior Aam Aadmi Party netas have headed now to Tihar to welcome Arvind Kejriwal out of jail. He's been inside behind bars for 4 months now. He went back inside after, just before the election results came out in May. At the end of May is when he went back inside Tihar, and he's been there ever since. So for 4 months now, Arvind Kejriwal has been inside Delhi's Tihar jail. He's gotten bail today from the Supreme Court, which had some choice words for the CBI and Enforcement Directorate. Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out shortly to a big welcome. It's a big win for the Delhi Chief Minister. The Supreme Court granted bail to the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo in the Liquor Gate controversy. The court criticized the CBI, calling Kejriwal's belated arrest unjustified and highlighting that the ongoing probe should not turn into targeted harassment. Here's the whole story.
Big relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court on Friday granted him bail in the CBI case in the alleged excise policy scam. The two-judge bench of Justices Surya Kant and Ujjwal Bhuyan was unanimous in the decision to grant bail. The court pointed out the charge sheet has already been filed and the trial is unlikely to be completed soon. The two judges, however, wrote different verdicts. While Justice Surya Kant held Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI to be legal, Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan came down heavily on the central agency. Justice Bhuyan said that the CBI case against Kejriwal was filed on August 17, 2022, but his arrest took place on June 26, 2024. The judge said the CBI did not feel the need to arrest Kejriwal for 22 months. Justice Bhuyan ruled that Kejriwal's arrest appeared strategically timed to frustrate his bail in the Enforcement Directorate case. The judge further urged the CBI to dispel the image of being a caged parrot. Justice Bhuyan stated that the CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion.
Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuyan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
The bail conditions are the same as listed by the Supreme Court in the ED case. Kejriwal will have to refrain from public comments on the liquor case. He cannot attend Chief Minister's office and is barred from signing official files, but he can sign files that require to be sent to the LG. He is required to fully cooperate with the trial court. The Aam Aadmi Party mounted a fierce attack on the CBI, accusing the agency of acting under political pressure. Party leaders demanded the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah, calling the arrest an act of political vendetta.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेंच ने यहाँ तक कह दिया कि क्यों मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर ये कंडीशंस लगाई गई हैं कि वो सचिवालय नहीं जा सकते, फाइलें साइन नहीं कर सकते, मेरी समझ के बाहर है। मगर क्योंकि दूसरी बेंच ने ये कंडीशंस लगाई हैं, इसलिए इसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते हैं। कोर्ट ने साफ तौर पे कह दिया कि देश की प्रीमियर एजेंसी बदले की भावना से, कपट छल से काम कर रही है। मुझे लगता है गृह मंत्री को एक दिन भी अपनी सीट पे रहने का हक खत्म हो गया है।
केजरीवाल की बेल से जनता को कोई फायदा होने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी मिठाइयां बांट रही है क्योंकि उनको जनता से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, अपने भ्रष्टाचार से लेना देना है। और मुजरिम केजरीवाल जो जेल से छूटे हैं बेल पर कंडीशंस के साथ, उनकी बेल पर खुशी मनानी है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली तो भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है और उस भ्रष्टाचार में का फैसला आएगा तो जेल तो जाना ही है।
Kejriwal comes out of jail at a time assembly elections are taking place in Haryana. His campaign will be closely watched as AAP is contesting the elections on its own. With Kanu Sarda and Amit Bhardwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, these are live images coming in from the celebrations that are taking place outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence in Delhi's Civil Lines area. It's a nice cool evening here in Delhi. There's been very, very heavy rain. It's overcast. The weather has improved dramatically, and all of that is going to be seen as an auspicious sign by Arvind Kejriwal's supporters, fans, admirers, many of whom from the Aam Aadmi Party have assembled, as you can see in these pictures, from right outside his residence. But I want to go across to all of our reporters. India Today's Shreya Chatterjee is outside the Tihar jail. Amit Bharadwaj is live from Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where you're seeing all these celebrations breaking out. Shrishti Ojha is also live with us to give us a legal perspective. Shreya, quickly coming to you first. Arvind Kejriwal expected out any time now?
Well, yes, Shiv, as per the last update that we got from our sources inside Tihar jail, 5 p.m. was the tentative time given for Arvind Kejriwal to step out of this very gate, which is the gate number 4. So any moment now we will get an official confirmation on the bail order also reaching the Tihar jail. But this is where he will be leaving, and most likely anytime now we will start seeing developments here outside the Tihar gate.
Who all are there to receive him, Shreya? We understand that Mrs. Kejriwal and other senior leaders are all there at Tihar now.
Well, yes, Shiv, all the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party have reached Tihar jail. However, the weather is playing a little dampener, is why the images are not very similar to the last time when he came out of Tihar jail during the interim bail period. So we are yet to see some celebrations such at this gate. But we are being told at gate number 2 and 3, some of his supporters have already lined up waiting for Arvind Kejriwal to step out of Tihar jail.
Stay with me, Shreya. I just want to quickly, before I go to Amit and Shrishti, give you a sense of who all are out on bail. With Arvind Kejriwal now, virtually all of the leaders who had been arrested are now out on bail. Arvind Kejriwal granted bail today by the Supreme Court. Manish Sisodia was granted bail just a couple of weeks ago. K. Kavita of the BRS also granted bail in the Liquorgate case. Vijay Nair, who used to be the communications head of the Aam Aadmi Party, also granted bail alongside Manish Sisodia. Abhishek Boinpalli granted bail. Amandeep Dhal is currently in judicial custody. Changpreet Singh has also been granted bail. Buchi Prabhu Gorantla has been granted bail. Arvind Kumar Singh granted bail. So apart from a couple of people, everybody in the Liquorgate case investigation so far has been granted bail. Let me bring in Amit Bharadwaj, who's outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, where celebrations have broken out. Amit, Arvind Kejriwal will be headed home immediately after his exit from the Tihar jail. That's where the celebrations are today.
Right, Shiv. Arvind Kejriwal will be received by Bhagwant Mann, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and all other top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. And from Tihar jail, he'll be heading to the 6 Flagstaff Marg, where the CM residence is located. And it's raining out here, but that's certainly not dampening the mood of the AAP supporters. It's not just holes, but also the band baja is here and everybody is dancing while it's raining out here at Civil Lines. इतनी बारिश हो रही है, फिर भी आप लोग नाच गा रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, हम केजरीवाल जी की रिहाई हुई है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं एंजॉय करने उस पल को।
लोग बच्चों के साथ आए हैं, टोपी वगैरह लेके तैयारी करके भीगने को।
तमाम कार्यकर्ता है सीमापुरी विधानसभा से आए हैं और हमारी पार्षद मोहिनी जीनवाल जी के साथ आए और अरविंद जी की इतनी खुशी है कि बारिश में भी देख रहे हैं लोग कितने खुश है।
सच्चाई की जीत हुई है सर, ये विरोध
सच्चाई की जीत हुई है, झूठे का मुंह काला।
So, I'll also request Manish, if that would be possible for him, to pan the camera once in order to show you the visuals as to how the AAP workers are dancing right now. There are flower petals which is being thrown in the air, shot in the air, and along with that, holes and band bajas, literally band bajas are being played out here. And the MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party are already here. I can see Haji Hussain in the crowd. He's his there, and all other party workers of Aam Aadmi Party from different constituencies of Delhi, different wards of Delhi have started to reach here. They are hoping that Arvind Kejriwal would, the moment he steps out from Tihar jail, the celebrations will further increase out here. And this is also the moment that Aam Aadmi Party workers have been waiting for quite long. If you look at 2023, it was all about legal troubles for them. Around the Lok Sabha election, the legal troubles increased further because Arvind Kejriwal was arrested from this very residence by the ED in March. Arvind Kejriwal did step out for 21 days to campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party during the Lok Sabha elections, but he had to go back to Tihar jail. Today, Shiv, I must say why this morale is even higher today. The reason being is that all of the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party are continuously referring to the observations of Justice Bhuiyan, where the case parrot phrase has returned to the fore. Nearly after a decade or so, it used to be the UPA days when case parrot was often used for CBI, and now Aam Aadmi Party will be pushing that narrative further. Along with that, there are restrictions on Arvind Kejriwal as Chief Minister of Delhi. They are hoping that because of the observations that has been made by Justice Bhuiyan, the judgment, possibly, they'll get soon a legal relief from the Supreme Court, and Arvind Kejriwal will be able to function as the Chief Minister of Delhi as well, as far as exercising those powers are concerned. But certainly the energy level is not dampening out here, even despite the drizzling and rain which is happening in the civil lines area right now. Shiv.
Okay, stay with me, Amit. Those celebrations obviously not going to die out anytime soon. Arvind Kejriwal, when he arrives there, I'm sure there will be even more fireworks and celebrations when the Chief Minister arrives back home. We're going to get some clarity on what he can and cannot do while he's out on bail. But here's what the Supreme Court said while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal after 4 months of incarceration at the Tihar jail. Number one, they said Kejriwal's belated arrest by the CBI is unjustified. They said the timing of the arrest raises more questions than it has answered. 22 months late, incarceration was not needed. Number four, arrest was strategically timed to frustrate bail granted in the Enforcement Directorate case. The arrest must not be carried out in a high-handed manner. Probe cannot become targeted harassment. The CBI must dispel the notion of being a caged parrot. Very, very important comment there from the court. CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion. Trial is not getting over in the near future. Bail is the rule and jail is the exception, said the court. 10-point scathing observations while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Let me bring in Shrishti Ojha now in on this. Shrishti, we've just listed out the hard things that the court has said while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal today. Could you paint us a picture as to what Arvind Kejriwal can and cannot do now while out on bail?
Well, definitely, Shiv, Supreme Court has given a detailed order. Both the judges, in fact, have their own separate judgments with regard to bail and on the aspect of arrest. Now, on the aspect of arrest, we saw them differentiate where one of the judges, Justice Ujjwal Bhuiyan, also made some strong remarks against CBI with regard to its investigation and also the manner in which Arvind Kejriwal was arrested. Coming to the terms and conditions, we've seen a discussion happen around the terms and conditions, the conditions that have been imposed on Arvind Kejriwal while granting him bail by the Supreme Court, pointing out that he can't sign files, can't visit the CM's office in Delhi, etc. Now, all these conditions are something that the Supreme Court had imposed on Arvind Kejriwal when he was granted interim bail in the ED matter. Now, the only reason Arvind Kejriwal is even able to walk out of jail today after being granted bail in the CBI case is because he's already out on interim bail in the ED case, which is why automatically the conditions that were imposed on him in the ED case would have anyway applied on him. The court has also categorically included it in its conditions today also, where all the conditions imposed earlier, which would include that he cannot sign official files unless and until it is with regard to make some approval that is being sought on part of the LG, cannot visit the Delhi Chief Minister office and the Secretariat office, etc. Other than that, the conditions, one specific condition that we saw today in the CBI matter is the court has clearly said that Arvind Kejriwal cannot make any public comment about the CBI case, the merits of the CBI case. Earlier, we had only seen court restricting the accused from making a comment on their role in the case, be it Sanjay Singh, be it Manish Sisodia, or even Arvind Kejriwal in the ED matter. But now the court has made a big statement. This is an important condition. He cannot comment on the CBI case or the merits of the CBI case at all. The court has also said that the idea, the reason this condition is being added, or it's necessary to add this condition, is to ensure that there's no self-serving narrative which is played out in the public domain. So these are the restrictions that have been imposed on Arvind Kejriwal as of now. But we also saw his lawyer tell us a while back that they are taking a call and they will discuss and see whether or not they need to apply for a further modification of these bail conditions. Back to you.
All right, Shrishti, thanks for that. We'll come back to you in just a moment. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal finally gets bail after 4 months inside Tihar. The top court, like I just listed for you, granted him bail in the Liquor Gate investigation. The Aam Aadmi Party has, of course, claimed vindication, but the BJP is still holding ground, training its guns on Kejriwal, saying bail is no certificate of innocence. Take a look at this report.
AAP Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is finally out on bail. Laddus, dhol and crackers. This is how AAP leaders celebrated the Supreme Court's bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor scam case filed by the CBI. Earlier in the day, AAP leaders Atishi and Manish Sisodia had their eyes on laptop, closely following SC's proceedings. AAP claimed vindication, saying the arrest was nothing but insurance arrest by the CBI.
ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये कहा गया आज कि जिस तरह से सीबीआई ने सीएम साहब को अरेस्ट किया, उससे ये साफ हो जाता है कि सीबीआई जानबूझकर केजरीवाल जी को अंदर रखने की मंशा के तहत उनको गिरफ्तार कर रही थी।
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का फैसला, जिसमें साफ तौर पे कहा गया कि जब ईडी से उनको जमानत मिल गई तो 22 महीने बाद वो सीबीआई सो के जागती है। इसका मतलब सीबीआई की अरेस्ट, ईडी की अरेस्ट, ये अपने खुद की जांच एजेंसी की अरेस्ट नहीं थी, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के द्वारा कराई गई अरेस्ट थी।
कुछ पहलू
The BJP reminded AAP that the Delhi Chief Minister has only got bail and not an acquittal.
ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, जेल वाला सीएम अब बेल वाला सीएम हो गया है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज चाहे बेल दी हुई, लेकिन क्योंकि उन्होंने ये पाया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लिप्त हैं इस शराब घोटाले में, इसीलिए उनको ना तो सीएम के ऑफिस जाने के योग्य समझा गया है, ना किसी फाइल पे साइन करने के योग्य समझा गया है।
Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the ED on March 21st. On June 26, Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the CBI while he was still in custody of the Enforcement Directorate in the excise case, though he had been granted bail in that case. His release has given AAP much-needed ammo before the crucial Haryana polls. With Amit Bharadwaj and Mausami Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And take a look at all the twists and turns that the quest for bail for Arvind Kejriwal has taken over the last few months. On the 10th of May, the Supreme Court granted interim bail to Kejriwal till the 2nd of June. This was in view of the election campaign that was on at that point of time. Just 2 days before the results, Arvind Kejriwal surrendered and went back into Tihar jail. On June the 20th, that's 2 weeks later, Kejriwal was granted bail by a Delhi court. On June the 26th, the CBI arrested Kejriwal from Tihar jail, and therefore he could not walk out on that bail that had been granted. On the 12th of July, the Supreme Court granted interim bail to Kejriwal. On August the 5th, the Delhi High Court rejected Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea. On August the 6th, the Supreme Court refused interim bail to Kejriwal. On September the 5th, the Supreme Court reserved its verdict, and finally today, on September the 13th, the Supreme Court granted bail to the Delhi Chief Minister. Amit Bharadwaj, let's go back to him. Amit, Arvind Kejriwal has been restricted in terms of what he can and cannot do, as Srishti was just telling us. What is the plan in place as far as governance duties, chief ministerial duties, etc.? They've been functioning for a while now, while he was in jail. Are there any changes planned within the Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi government now that Arvind Kejriwal is out?
Shiv, a natural question is whether there will be change in the Chief Minister's office or not. The answer to it is no. Arvind Kejriwal will continue to operate as Chief Minister of Delhi. Now, the second point is, how does he run the government in the national capital? As I was also mentioning that the legal team of Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal will now base its arguments seeking relief from the Supreme Court. They will be citing not only Justice Bhuiya's observations in today's order, but also that of Justice Okas, which has been made in a different case in the Supreme Court itself. So all those arguments will be used by Arvind Kejriwal in Supreme Court for seeking relief, so that he can operate as Chief Minister of the Delhi, and more importantly so because Arvind Kejriwal has to convene a cabinet as soon as possible, so that Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana can be rolled out in Delhi, because that is going to be the key poll plan for Aam Aadmi Party in this particular election, 2025 election. But besides that, Arvind Kejriwal has a larger role to play as a political leader. And the moment he's out of Tihar jail, I can tell you with surety that entire roadmap for his campaign in Haryana will be carved out by the Aam Aadmi Party communication team as well as strategy team. And after that, I did ask the General Secretary of Aam Aadmi Party today, Sandeep Pathak, as to whether he'll be campaigning for the India Alliance partners in Jharkhand and Maharashtra. The response to that was positive. So Arvind Kejriwal is expected to campaign in Maharashtra, Jharkhand, where the elections are to happen in November and December. So it's going to play a bigger role as he was doing during Lok Sabha elections. A quick update, Shiv, that I want to share with you and our viewers right now, that all these workers of the Aam Aadmi Party that you are seeing, and the audio system, everything is being moved to Chandgi Ram Akhada right now. The workers have been asked to move to Chandgi Ram Akhada, which is a couple of kilometers from this point, and Arvind Kejriwal is to hold a road show. The moment he steps out of Tihar jail, he'll be heading to civil lines, but approximately 1.5 kilometers away or 2 kilometers away, he will be welcomed by a sea of AAP supporters, MLAs, councillors, workers, and from there, Arvind Kejriwal will be holding a road show to 6 Flagstaff Marg. So have a grand plan of welcome that has been planned out by Aam Aadmi Party this time around. Earlier as well, we had seen that a lot of celebrations used to happen when Sanjay Singh, Manish Sisodia stepped out, but this one seems like a detailed one, because they were anticipating relief from Supreme Court, especially because in the ED case, it was already granted interim bail. In the CBI case, because the law is slightly, less strict in comparison to PMLA, it was expected that in the POC case, that is Prevention of Corruption Act, under those charges, Arvind Kejriwal is bound to get a bail from the Supreme Court, and that has happened. And that is why you have a more detailed plan of celebration that has been already carved out by Aam Aadmi Party, and maybe possibly also because Vijay Nair, who is the communication strategist of Aam Aadmi Party, he is also out on bail in the excise policy case. So AAP had more brains and strategy people working out as to how to make it look big the impact should come out bigger, and the messaging in the cadre should be even more impactful, not only in Delhi but also in Haryana and Punjab and elsewhere, because you have an election to deal with in Haryana, and also a few months from now, 6 months or less, so to say, the Delhi is all set to head into election mode. So they want to boost up the morale of Aam Aadmi Party workers and cadres as well as the entire machinery, and that is why there's a detailed welcome plan that has been carved out. A road show will be carried out by Arvind Kejriwal approximately 1.5 kilometers from here, and after that he'll be reaching 6 Flagstaff Marg, where a very detailed plan of welcome has been already rolled out. And tomorrow as well, these celebrations will continue, where it is very much possible that Arvind Kejriwal will go to Rajghat and then Connaught Place, the iconic Hanuman temple of the national capital. And eventually Arvind Kejriwal could address the party workers at the new party headquarters in Delhi. Back to you.
Okay, stay with me. Shreya Chatterjee is still with us outside gate number 5 of Tihar jail. That's from where Arvind Kejriwal is expected to emerge any moment now. Shreya, any minute now we're hearing he's going to be walking out. There's a big welcome and a road show planned in civil lines outside his residence a little later, as Amit was telling us. Shreya.
Well, Shiv, we've got a little update from Tihar jail. I'm outside gate number 4. But what the Tihar sources are suggesting is Delhi police, for easy movement of traffic, has put in a fresh request to make his exit from gate number 3. So the coordination is currently under its way between Delhi police and the Tihar jail officials. We are being told that this entire process would take half an hour more. So now the tentative time is 6 p.m. When either from gate number 4 or gate number 3 is where we will see Arvind Kejriwal step out from. This is a fresh update that we're getting right now from Tihar jail.
Stay with me. Live visuals coming in from all 3 locations. Both locations, I beg your pardon, outside the Tihar jail, as well as outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, where celebrations have broken out. Senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party have assembled there, and they will be welcoming Arvind Kejriwal out. Okay, to where the action is, clearly it's outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, so I'm going to go straight back to Amit to see if he can get some voices from the ground. Amit, any possibility of speaking to some of those supporters who've all gathered there?
Shiv, I'll try to get the supporters. However, majority of them have been now moved to the Changiram Akhada area, where all these people will be welcoming Arvind Kejriwal, and we are getting some supporters as well. आप लोग इतनी बारिश के बावजूद यहाँ पे बड़ी संख्या में इकट्ठा हुए हैं. किस तरह के प्लान्स हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को वेलकम करने?
देखो, ये सच्चाई के प्लान है. आइए जी, आइए निगम पार्षद जी. ये सच्चाई के प्लान है और परमात्मा भी खुश है कि जो इतनी ठंडक दे रखी है कि सीएम साहब अब जो है इन्होंने अपनी तानाशाही के हिसाब से जो है तो ये चाहा था कि आएंगे नहीं, लेकिन सच्चाई भी कोई चीज है कि आज हमारे सीएम साहब.
आप लोग लगातार नारा दे रहे थे कि जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, केजरीवाल छूटेंगे. वो हुआ है आज, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पे उनके ऊपर कई सारे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस अभी भी लागू हैं.
देखिए, ये बुराई पे सच्चाई की जीत है, और इस तरीके से इन्होंने जिस तरह से भाजपा ने हमारे जो शीर्ष नेतृत्व को झूठे केसों में जेल में अंदर डाला था और धीरे धीरे सभी सच्चाई की बुनियाद पर बाहर आ गए, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं दिखाता है कि अभी भी ऊपर वाला जो है सत्य के साथ खड़ा हुआ है, और जिस तरीके से झूठे केसों में हमारे नेताओं को उन्होंने फंसाया था वो सारे धीरे धीरे बाहर आ गए.
कल के लिए क्या प्लान है आप लोगों के?
कल जैसे ही आज केजरीवाल जी यहाँ पे आएंगे, कल पार्टी दफ्तर जा करके वहाँ भी सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को बुला करके अपना प्रोग्राम करें, लोगों को बताएंगे, बधाई देंगे उनको कि भाई किस तरीके से उन्होंने वहाँ पर जो है जनता का
जश्न चलता रहेगा आप लोगों का.
जी बिल्कुल चलता रहेगा. बहुत खुशी की बात है, बहुत ज्यादा। और देखिए जिस तरह से एक एक कार्यकर्ता जो है इस समय एकदम से ऊर्जावान हो गया उनकी आने की खुशी में। जिस तरीके से हमारे नेताओं को बारिश हो रही थी फिर भी नाच रहे थे, बाद में भीगते हुए पूरे कार्यकर्ता आए हुए हैं और अब तो जश्न चालू होगा।
ठीक है। So Shiv, as I had said, it's raining, drizzling out here. Despite that, the morale and the energy level of the AAP Karyakartas is not dampening. The councillors are here, MLAs of AAP party are here. So clearly, they want to make sure that the moment the party chief come out of Tihar jail and head to this part of the national capital, we should feel that the Delhi workers, party volunteers were waiting for this particular moment, and the celebrations are detailed. The enormous, the energy level of the cadre is quite high today, and it's also because of the anticipated bail that they were anticipating from the Supreme Court. And usually you would have situation where only dhols are there, but this time around I can see literal band baja has been brought in by Aam Aadmi Party. They have band bajas in place, and several set of such band bajas have been called in by the Aam Aadmi Party workers out here. So what is expected is that this celebration is going to be even more grander as they get to know that Arvind Kejriwal has stepped out of Tihar jail. Shiv.
All right, stay with me. Some reactions that have come in. The politics that has erupted, obviously, over bail to Arvind Kejriwal has immediately been triggered. Let's get in some of those reactions that have come in, and then we'll go straight back to our reports.
कोर्ट कहती है कि आप मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में कोई फाइल साइन नहीं कर सकते, ऑफिस नहीं जा सकते, जब कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो इस्तीफा दो, किसी और को लाओ। दिल्ली को इतना तकलीफ दे दिया है, कितनी तकलीफें और देंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल आपके लिए? वो व्यक्ति इस्तीफा देने से इनकार कर रहा है, जिसके दिल में दिल्ली के प्रति जरा भी दर्द होता। ऐसी परिस्थिति में कोर्ट की ऐसी टिप्पणी, ऐसे निर्णय के बाद नैतिकता में अपने पद से इस्तीफा देता।
बेल मिलना है, कोर्ट का प्रोसीजर है, हमें उस पर कोई हैरानी नहीं है। लेकिन जिस तरह की पाबंदी अरविंद केजरीवाल पर लगाई गई है कि आप सीएम के दफ्तर नहीं जा सकते, फाइल साइन नहीं कर सकते, इस केस पे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकते, विदेश नहीं जा सकते, तो अरविंद केजरीवाल अगर आप में जरा से भी नैतिकता है तो आपको आज तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे आदमी को दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बने रहने का अधिकार नहीं है, जो मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में घुस भी ना सकता हो।
कि कोई भी जमानत जो है किसी भी आरोपी को दोष मुक्त होने का प्रमाण पत्र नहीं है, सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, आदेश नहीं है। तो कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, तो क्या उनको दोष मुक्त घोषित कर दिया है क्या? उनके ऊपर जो आरोप लगे हैं वो आरोप मुक्त हो गए हैं क्या? इतनी तो ABCD जिनको मोहल्ले का भी जो समझ रखते हैं वो भी जानते हैं, ये तो मुल्क के नेता बने हुए घूम रहे हैं, मोहल्ले की समझ भी नहीं रख रहे हैं।
इस केस में कुछ नहीं है, एक एक करके सब जाने बाहर आ गए, अब तो सब पता चल गया।
हरियाणा में अभी आम आदमी पार्टी लड़ रही है पूरी
जोर शोर से लड़ेंगे।
आपको लगता है कि सीएम के बाहर आने से कुछ
बहुत बड़ी ताकत मिलेगी?
बीजेपी लेकिन सर सवाल उठा रही है कि कोर्ट ने सवाल खड़े किए हैं कि गिरफ्तारी अवैध नहीं थी।
बीजेपी वालों का क्या है जी, उनका वो तो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, उनका
सीबीआई के लिए टिप्पणी की कोर्ट ने की, एक तरह से पिंजरे का तोता जो आप लोग लगातार आरोप लगाते रहते हैं, करते रहे, उसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पर दोहराया है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ऐसे पिंजरे के तोते की तरह बरता जा रहा है जांच एजेंसियों को, और आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोबारा मोहर लगा दी। लेकिन हमें यकीन था, हमें माननीय न्यायालय पर यकीन था कि एक ना एक दिन कि बाहर आएंगे, संजय सिंह बाहर आए, मनीष सिसोदिया बाहर आए।
It's a big relief, and I think this judgment today, and in particular the observations made by the Honorable Supreme Court on the working of the investigative agencies is clearly a victory of justice, a victory of the struggle of Arvind Kejriwal, and a victory of a man with unimpeachable integrity. It's a big day for all of us at the Aam Aadmi Party, and I think not just the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party, but Indians at large are absolutely elated with joy that their beloved leader Mr. Kejriwal will walk free after struggling for 6 long months for a crime he did not commit. Whenever bails are given, conditions are imposed, and conditions don't necessarily reflect upon the innocence or the lack of it of a particular accused. I think this is absolutely ridiculous on the part of the BJP to make such claims.
मनीष सिसोदिया जी की रिहाई, उसके बाद बाकी सारे लोगों की रिहाई और अब हमारे पार्टी के मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की रिहाई ने यह साबित कर दिया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के झूठ का पहाड़ ध्वस्त हो चुका है। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का फैसला, जिसमें साफ तौर पे कहा गया कि जब ईडी से उनको जमानत मिल गई तो 22 महीने बाद वो सीबीआई सो के जागती है। जिसने 22 महीने पहले केजरीवाल जी से पूछताछ की थी, 22 महीने बाद सो के जागती है कि केजरीवाल को अरेस्ट करना है। इसका मतलब सीबीआई की अरेस्ट, ईडी की अरेस्ट, ये अपनी खुद की जांच एजेंसी की अरेस्ट नहीं थी, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के द्वारा कराई गई अरेस्ट थी। तो तानाशाही का अंत होता है, झुकते हैं तानाशाह, झुकाने वाला चाहिए, और वो झुकाने वाला व्यक्ति है अरविंद केजरीवाल।
The BJP is also hitting back, saying that, first Arvind Kejriwal was a CM in jail, now is a CM on bail. He cannot actively work as the Chief Minister of the Delhi because of the restrictions which are there. How do you respond?
Bharatiya Janata Party always wanted to arrest Arvind Kejriwal, and he would then resign, and they would then dismantle the government. They wanted to break down and bring down the Aam Aadmi Party. This did not happen.
Final question, sir. Is Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, going to be on the campaign path now? Haryana, then you have Maharashtra and Jharkhand as well, where your allies, India allies, will be contesting, and then eventually Delhi contest. So is Arvind Kejriwal going to be an active campaigner for Aam Aadmi Party as well as the India alliance from here?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. That is what we are here for. That is our duty, and we'll hit the ground very soon.
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने अपने जजमेंट के माध्यम से साफ-साफ कहा कि सीबीआई का अरेस्ट ही इलीगल था, और सीबीआई का अरेस्ट के साथ साथ उन्होंने सीबीआई को कह दिया भाई ये केज्ड पैरेट है, यानी तोता है। आज गृह मंत्री जी माननीय अमित शाह जी के ऊपर ये जो चूंकि सीबीआई उनके अंतर्गत आता है, अमित शाह जी को आज इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। सीबीआई को डिस्क्रेडिट किया गया, सीबीआई से इलीगल अरेस्ट करवाया गया, अब उनका इस सीट पे बने रहने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है।